United Nations General Assembly meets every year in the month of, so keep in mind United Nations का हर साल जो इजलास होता है वो सितंबर के महीने में होता है. So the right option is September. Another question that can be asked regarding United Nations. Total member countries of United Nations, the numbers are 193. इनके टोटल जो member countries हैं वो कितने हैं? वो 193 हैं. Another question that can be asked, that is how many observer states of United Nations are there? So the right option is there are two observer states. So there are two observer states, and the names are, the first one is Palestine, जिसको हम फलस्तीन कहते हैं, अंबिया की सरजमीन भी कहा जाता है. और सेकंड कौन से हैं? वो हैं होली सी कंट्री. और होली सी जिसका दूसरा नाम याद रखिएगा वेटिकन सिटी भी है. वेटिकन सिटी. So Vatican City is not a city, it's basically a country and it's an observer country. United Nations ने इनको वॉच लिस्ट में रखा हुआ है, इनको बतौर कंट्री अभी तक इनको एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया गया. Another question that can be asked regarding the Vatican City. Vatican City is the world's smallest country. ये दुनिया का सबसे छोटा कंट्री है. And very interesting fact about this country is its total area is less than 1 kilometer and it's near about 0.44 kilometer. इसका जो एरिया है वो 0.44 किलोमीटर है. एंड द पॉपुलेशन दैट्स नियर अबाउट 800 population. So these are very interesting facts and information and very important regarding exam point of views. So there are two observer states. The first one is Palestine and the second one is the Holy See, that's also termed as the Vatican City as well. The total area of Vatican City is near about 0.44 kilometer as I have mentioned, and total population is near about 800. So these are very important questions. अगर आप हमारी रेगुलर क्लासेस ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो नीचे दिए गए व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं.